Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. AGIX performed really well today, and yeah, it will be interesting to see if we really bottom here now. I mean, it has done enough, in terms of what it needs to do in terms of the correction. Of course, it's come down deep enough. It's come into our, let's say, medium-term trend reversal area, and the reversal here is good. However, I'm not entirely buying into this yet, because the entire market isn't moving up yet, and it is only rallying in 3 waves at the moment. Now, if that's going to become a 5-wave move, which it could be, then we are watching for the first deeper retracement. But let me take you through that. First of all, primary count here at the moment is still that this was a wave W to the downside, an X wave to the upside, and a Y wave to the downside. WXY in a wave 2, support is at 17.2 cents, which means it can still theoretically drop to that level without making this wave 2 unlikely, because below that level, this setup, which is a long trade setup, is probably not going to work out. If it is a WXY structure, then based on this, we could now say it has, well, we can't say it has bottomed, but it is certainly now increasingly likely, because if we take a look and say that we came down in this C wave, and then we had here a 1-2, then we had here all of this. I actually count as the third wave, because, well, you could even say this is the third, this is the fourth, but then we would have a very, very long fifth. Happens, yeah, an extended fifth does happen. It would actually have landed then here. If that's the case, yeah, then we have obviously 5 waves complete. We can count 5 waves complete, yeah. What I would have liked to see, to be honest, that would have been a bit clearer from a structure point of view, is this, basically counting this as 1, this is 2, this is 3, then here maybe a 4 and another 5. Problematic with this view is now that this got too high. It broke above resistance. So we're not going to use that anymore. That's certainly not the count. Yeah, that idea isn't working out because it broke above resistance. Well, remember what I said in the previous video, and also today in the member only update, I think before it pumped, I published it. And I said, look, if we break above that 29.6 cent level, the 50% retracement, we at least cannot count this as a wave 4 anymore. So it may be something more bullish. It doesn't mean though that it has bottomed, because it could still be that this is not a WXY, but instead just an ABC. If this is an ABC, show you the difference. A wave, B wave, C wave, then this here could have been the 1, this could have been the 2, this could have been the 3, this could have been the 4, and we might get one more low down. And then resistance is slightly different. Yeah, resistance is slightly different. It may be a bit higher. Resistance then goes all the way up to 34.3 cents. So pay attention to that level as well, 34.3 cents. But what is more important than any of that is the following. Let me take that out again. Just want to take resistance out. So 34, look, watch that level that I just showed you. But what is important now, yes, it's pumping. A lot of people love to chase green candles and so on. Yeah, it's all good. This squiggle down here, yeah, looks, by the way, similar to what Fetch was doing today. We could count this as a leading diagonal. So, okay, in case it is bullish, then this would be a wave 1. This would be a wave 2. This here would be a third. There'll be a fourth and a fifth. Only if we get the fourth and the fifth, we can really say the trend has shifted. Whatever it's doing, it can pump like crazy. But if it doesn't give us the 5-wave structure, yes, it can rally, but it would still have a bearish touch, because we can really only say that it's a clear impulse if we get 5 waves up and the subsequent 3 waves down, A, B, C. So I'm not going to be able to confirm really, and that's the mantra in Elliott Wave, yeah. We need 5 up, 3 down. I'm not going to be able to confirm that we've bottomed until we see those 5 up, until we see those 3 down, and then until we break above the top of the 5. Okay, they are the 3 levels of confirmation in Elliott Wave. 5 up is the first confirmation. 3 down is the second confirmation, making a higher low in the support area that we're going to define. And then breaking above the high is the third confirmation. Now, how many confirmations you need as a trader, that's for you to decide. But from an analysis point of view, I cannot confirm we have bottomed until I see this. But we can assume it as soon as we see 5 up. And we can assume it even more as soon as we see 3 down. Okay, so that's the story here. And whatever it's doing now to get to get a wave 5, it needs to hold the 50% retracement, basically 28.9 cents. Because if it breaks down from here and it breaks below 28.9 or 28.8 cents, then this is most likely not going to be a wave 4 and we will crash down again. Okay, so because a wave 4 typically doesn't break below the 50% retracement. So hopefully that's clear. It's always the 5 up, the 3 down, and then breaking above that previous high. So far, yeah, it's looking promising, but if it was really that easy that a few green candles tell us something has bottomed, then it would be really easy. But it's not. So we need to see those 5 up. Here we had some nice green candles as well, yeah. Similar structure, but only 3 waves up. So, and you see what happened afterwards. So I will only buy into this as soon as we have 5 up, 3 down. And the reason is also because, many other coins, they're not, basically AGIX is running on its own today. Yeah, there might be a few other ones which did quite well, but not fully buying into this yet. But bear in mind, we are in the larger trend reversal area for this, the larger setup here. If you zoom out, you see that all of that move, the wave 1 to the upside, is being corrected. That's why the fib levels are quite far away from each other, yeah, because it's pure mathematics. They are obviously extending the more the move extends as well. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. I'll keep my focus on this for a few days. Let's see what happens. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.